Hello, good morning, student. Today is my second section. The first section is clear of the node gate, basic gate. Today is my second session, basic gate, like a OR gate, OR gate. Today is the second lecture is OR gate. Previous lecture is the node gate is the complete. Please understand. The today is start of the OR gate. The OR gate symbol diagram. AB y is equal to a plus b means addition gate input signal here output signal. The AB is the input signal, the output is y is equal to a plus b means OR gate has a two or more input signal, only one output signal. So explain OR gate, the truth table or OR gate like this one. Truth table, serial number, input, output. Input signal is 2 part A and B. Output is y is equal to a plus b. Means this is the addition gate. The micro ALU is function of the addition. Serial number. The two input is the condition is satisfied. Four condition 1, 2, 3, and 4. Four condition like this one. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1. So what is output of the OR gate? So explain the output. First condition first, when a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. So output y is equal to a plus b means y is equal to a plus b means 0 plus 0. A is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. Then 0 plus 0 means the binary 0, the binary 0. So output is 0. So y is equal to 0 plus 0 means 0. So y is equal to 0. The condition is first. Second condition, train condition. Second, when a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. So output y is equal to a plus b means y equal to a plus b means the 0 plus 1. The a value is 0 and plus b value is 1. So a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1. So y is equal to 0 plus 1 means 1. The condition is the output is second condition. 0 plus 1 is 1. Then third condition. Condition is third. The output is the, like this one. 0, 0, 0. This is 1. Condition. Third condition. When a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. The reverse condition of the second condition. So output y is equal to a plus b means y is equal to a plus b means 1 plus 0. And a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. So 1 plus 0. The 1 plus 0 means output is 1. And 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. The condition is third condition. Fourth condition, the output is 1. The fourth condition, both inputs are high. Condition is 4. When A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. Both inputs are high. So output y is equal to a plus b, means y is equal to a plus b, means a value is 1 plus b is value is 1. So a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1. The binary 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. High plus high is equal to 5. So y is equal to 1. The condition is 4. So y is high. So the truth table is the definition of OR gate. OR gate has a 2 or more input signal, A, B, C, D, E. 2 or more input signal, but only one output signal. The output signal is any input signal is high, to get a high output. કોઈપણ એક સિગ્નલ હાઈ હશે તો આપણને કેવું મળશે? હાઈ આઉટપુટ મળશે. So 2 or more input signal is here, the output only 1. The OR gate definition, OR gate has a 2 or more input signal but only one output signal. Any input signal is high to get a high output. So why is the condition is here, the circuit diagram like this one. So they apply the circuit. OR gate, inside of the OR gate, the circuit is here. Parallel switching circuit, A switch, then B also switch 1, switch 2, means switch A and switch B. This supply voltage 5 volt apply, and here the ground, here the output LED. When this circuit diagram is OR gate, 2 switch is parallel, 2 switch is connected to the parallel. The apply the plus 5 volt DC power supply. This is ground. This name of the LED. This one leg is the ground, another leg is the output of the switch. When switch 1 A is equal to 0, means this 0, this switch is off. And switch 2 is equal to B. So switch 2B is also 0, means off. This first condition is off. So there is no supply voltage transfer to the here. This transfer to here, no transfer to the here. So LED is off. So output LED is off, means 0. First condition. Second condition, when switch 1 A is equal to 0, means off, and switch 2 B is equal to 1, means on. So output is the B switch is on, this condition. So circuit is finished, LED is on. So LED is on. So output is on. So LED is on. On means off, high. Third condition, when switch 1, A is 1 means high, high. On switch means switch is on, and switch 2, B is equal to 0 means off. This is high means on, this is off means 0. So output is LED output. The switch is 1 is on, the switch B is off. It's like this. Switch 1 is on, switch is on. This is switch is off. Means circuit is transferred to the signal. Current is here. There is no current pass through the here. So LED is on. So on. One. Output is 1. Then fourth condition, when switch 1 A is equal to 1 means high, means on. A is on, B is on. Both signal, both current pass through the circuit. Then LED is on, and switch 2 B is equal to 1 means on. Means high. Signal is fast high means on. So output is means so the circuit is function of the OR gate. OR gate has a 2 or more input signal. A and B is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So output LED is off condition, is on condition, is on condition, is on condition. So OR gate is like this one. Any input signal is high to get a high output. Means on is high, off is low. Means LED is glow. On means LED is glow. So OR gate has a 2 or more input signal, but only one output signal. Output is the any input signal is high to get a high output. So OR gate is inside of the OR gate to switching transistor are used. Another function is OR gate. Another gate is AND gate. So basic gate is third gate is AND gate. What is AND gate? AND gate is the used by the multiplications gate. So simple diagram like this one. The symbol of the AND gate, straight line. This another straight line. The half circle. Then A and B. Y is equal to A multiply B. Another A. This is B. Same function. AB. Any function of this output is same. A multiply B. A star B. AB. So another book says like write this one output. This is input signal. This is output signal. So AND gate, the symbol of the AND gate. AND gate has a 2 or more input signal, but only one output signal. How to work of the AND gate? So truth table. Truth table AND gate serial number. Input A and B. Output Y is equal to A multiply B. Explain. The two input is the 4 conditions satisfied 1, 2, difference, 4 conditions satisfied. Like this one, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So first condition is applied here. The first condition is applied. Condition first. Explain the condition first. When a is equal to 0 is 0 and b is equal to 0 also 0. Both inputs are 0. So output y is equal to a multiply b. AND gate is multiplication gate. A multiply means, so y is equal to a multiply b means 0. A is 0 multiply b is 0. So a is 0 and b is 0 is equal 0 multiply 0. Binary 0 multiply binary 0 is y is equal to 0. So 0 multiply 0 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. The condition is first. Also, output is 0. So another condition is, first is taken, another condition, second condition. Condition is second. Second, when a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. This 0, this 1. So output AND gate is y is equal to a multiply b, means y is equal to a multiply b, means 0 multiply 1, means a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. So y is equal to 0 multiply 1 is equal to 0 multiply 1. 0 multiply 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. So second condition, the output is also 0. The condition is third. Condition is third. Condition. When a is equal to, the third condition, a is 1 and b is 0. So output y is equal to a multiply b, means y is equal to a multiply b, means 1 multiply 0. Reverse condition of second condition. And a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. So 1 multiply 0 means output is 1 multiply 0. If 1 multiply 0 means output is 0. So y is equal to 0. So third condition is 0. Fourth condition, so output here, the 1, a is 1 and b is 0, output is 0. This is third condition. Fourth condition, when a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1, both inputs are right. Both inputs are. So when a is equal to 1, b is equal to, so output y is equal to a multiply b, means y is equal to a multiply b, means 1 multiply 1. A is 0 1 and b is 1. Both inputs are high. 1 multiply 1 means 1. So 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. The condition is 4. Both inputs are high, so output is high. The definition of AND gate is a 2 or more input signal, but only one output signal. All input must be high. All A, B, C, D, all input must be high to get a high output. So output is high. So inside of the circuit is the parallel switching circuit. This is OR gate is parallel switching circuit. This is AND gate is the serial switching circuit. Like this one. So circuit diagram of like this one, AND gate. AND gate. So circuit is here. A, switch 1, switch 2, B, this name of B, plus 5 volt. In digital circuit is used of the plus 5 volt. This is circuit diagram. LED. Connect. Switching. So output 5 volt. This is the ground. When switch, the condition is first. On switch 1 means A, switch 2 means B, output LED, output LED. When first condition 0, 0 means switch is off. Off condition. 1, 0, 1 means off. Third condition 1, 0 means on. The fourth condition, both are on, switch is on, so output LED. The first condition is applied, and switch is off, and B is off, so output is LED is off, means 0. When first condition, switch 1 is off, switch 2 is on. Switch 2 is on, the LED is also off condition, means no supply pass through the here. There is no pass current here, so no circuit is finished of the output, so condition is 0. When reverse processor, A is on and B is off. This on. So here pass current is not passing here current, so circuit is not finished, the output is also 0. And both inputs are high. The switching circuit is series. The switch circuit is series. Both inputs are high. One is on. This on condition, this on condition. Switch 1 is on, switch 2 is on. So the current circuit is all passed through the here. It's passing plus 5 volt. LEDs below these LEDs. So output is high. So today's lecture is OR gate, AND gate. The OR gate has a 2 or more input, AND gate has a 2 or more input signal, but only one output signal. All input must be high to get a high output. So next lecture is session by the universal gate. So thank you.